Subtle Medical is a healthcare technology company focused on building software solutions powered by deep learning that make medical imaging more efficient and better for patients. Medical imaging is both costly and inefficient. Scan volumes are increasing while reimbursement is declining. Many centers have outdated technology and limited funds to purchase new million-dollar machines. Others have limited capacity on their current scanners or now, with COVID-19, have to make even more time for additional cleaning protocols in between patients. Most importantly, imaging procedures are long and uncomfortable, which causes patients anxiety and discomfort. Subtle Medical provides intelligent solutions that tackle all of these concerns. Subtle's FDA-cleared software solutions, SubtlePET and SubtleMR, can be used to improve the quality of a center's accelerated imaging protocols. SubtlePET denoises images conducted in 1/4 the original scan time, while SubtleMR improves the image quality of a site's accelerated MR protocols using denoising and increased sharpness. The software works with any brand of scanner, PACS, or OEM. It's scalable across all scanner brands and is easy to deploy, requiring little to no change in the existing workflow. Accelerated protocols help centers to get patients in and out of the scanner faster, which reduces patient discomfort and results in a much better patient experience and increased patient satisfaction. With the ability to improve the quality of their accelerated imaging protocols, centers can accommodate more patients a day, increasing their throughput and profitability. Centers with outdated technology and limited funds don't have to go purchase new million-dollar machines anymore. Subtle's software is essentially a virtual upgrade that extends the life of the entire existing fleet of scanners. Subtle software integrates seamlessly in the radiology workflow. In a typical workflow, the image is sent from the scanner to PACS via DICOM. When Subtle software is deployed, the image is sent from the scanner to the Subtle cloud, where the images are enhanced in a matter of seconds. The enhanced images are then sent to PACS the same as in the normal workflow. All of Subtle's products are HIPAA compliant and PHI safe. Let's take a look at SubtlePET. A normal PET exam might take around 18 minutes. If you acquire that image in 4.5 minutes, you'll get a noisy image nearly impossible to diagnose. SubtlePET software uses deep learning to enhance that noisy image within seconds, producing a diagnostically equivalent image to the 18-minute scan, but acquired in 1/4 of the time. This results in a significant improvement in scanner throughput, workflow efficiency, and the patient experience, which patients consistently share in their patient questionnaires. SubtlePET works across all scanner brands and is compatible with all major radio tracers. Here's our head of clinical, Dr. Praveen Gulaka, to show some examples of SubtlePET's image enhancement capabilities.
The following examples demonstrate how SubtlePET effectively denoises low-count PET acquisitions acquired either from low-dose or faster PET scans. On the screen, the right viewport is the standard scan acquired with 2.5 minutes per bed acquisition. The top row are PET images reconstructed at 2 times faster, 3 times faster, and 4 times faster acquisitions, and the bottom row shows the SubtlePET enhancement results for the same. If I go a little lower, this patient had a lung nodule that is very clearly visible in all the reconstructions. But the important point is, as you go faster in the PET acquisitions, the noise in the PET images increases dramatically, and SubtlePET effectively denoises these images, and you can see the image quality is almost identical to that of the standard scan. This is the lung nodule I was referring to, and if you look at the image quality, it's almost identical to that of the standard scan. And here I drew a small region of interest to demonstrate that the SUV max values that are critical for nuclear medicine physicians, the SUV max values are almost identical to that of standard of care scan. Here the value is 10. In the SubtlePET reconstruction, the values are 9.9. Again, as you can see, in the top row, when we go for faster PET acquisitions, the image quality deteriorates as you go faster due to lower counts available for reconstruction. But after SubtlePET enhancement, the image quality SNR is improved, and the image quality is almost identical to that of the standard scan. This second example is a PET scan from a GE digital PET CT scanner. the Discovery MI. The image on the left is the standard scan with a 2-minute per bed acquisition. The image in the middle was reconstructed with 25% of the counts, simulating a 30 seconds per bed acquisition. The image on the right is the SubtlePET enhanced result of the 30 seconds per bed acquisition. From this you can see the SubtlePET result is equivalent to that of the standard scan, and as I scroll through you can appreciate that the lesion conspicuity is almost similar, and the image after processing with SubtlePET has much less noise.
Let's take a look at SubtleMR. SubtleMR is an FDA-cleared image processing software that enhances MRI images. It can be used to reduce image noise for the entire body, including but not limited to head, spine, neck, abdomen, pelvis, prostate, breast, and musculoskeletal regions of the body, and is also used to increase image sharpness for head MRI. Centers use SubtleMR to improve the quality of their accelerated MRI protocols, which allows them to maximize their workflow without compromising image quality. It's field strength agnostic and works with all major contrasts. It's also compatible with downstream quantitative and diagnostic applications. Here's Dr. Gulaka again to show us what sites have been able to accomplish with SubtleMR.
This example is a brain MRI scan performed with different pulse sequences. The image on the left is the routine scan. The one in the middle is an accelerated scan with lower resolution. The image on the right is the SubtleMR enhancement result of the middle image. You can clearly see resolution enhancement in the SubtleMR images. As I scroll through these slices, you can clearly visualize the tumor boundaries. The SubtleMR image is diagnostically equivalent to the image on the left, which is the routine protocol. This is the resolution enhancement example on a 2D axial T2 flare sequence. SubtleMR clearly improves the resolution of the images while depicting the tumor and the extent of the edema very well, as you can see here. This is an example of denoising on a post-gadolinium 3D T1 weighted sequence. The middle image here is acquired with no averages and therefore has high image noise. SubtleMR effectively denoises these images while depicting the enhancing tumor very well. In spine MRI, the main mode of SubtleMR enhancement is by denoising. Here is an example of an lumbar spine MRI exam looking at degenerative disc disease using different pulse sequences. You can appreciate that the SubtleMR images on the right are clearly denoised while maintaining the sharpness. As I scroll through the slices, you can distinctly visualize the neural foramina, the facet joints, and the degenerated vertebral discs. The image quality is equal to or better than that of the routine protocol. This is an axial T2 weighted scan of the L spine. The SNR of the SubtleMR is greatly improved and you don't see so much noise that is especially present in the vertebral bodies here. Also in the SubtleMR images, the nerve fibers are better visualized when compared to that of the routine scan, where they appear to be slightly blurred. And as I scroll through these images, you can appreciate the SNR enhancement as well as the sharpness and the crispness of the nerve fibers.
Let's hear what customers have to say about Subtle Medical's technology.
The most appealing value proposition that we've seen in SubtleMR and SubtlePET is the ability to increase image quality. We know from MR basically that we have this trade-off where we are never able to get both faster, higher quality scans. And what happens using SubtleMR is that we are able to make our own protocols faster, and then Subtle helps us to get our image quality back to the original protocol.
So the way SubtlePET technology impacted our imaging centers was the fact that, first of all, our patient satisfaction increased, and we documented that with actual questionnaires, asking patients to relate to their experience, repeat patients, before Subtle was implemented versus after, and we clearly demonstrated improved satisfaction. The other way was simply the efficiency of having the ability to increase capacity. That was exemplified early on in our experience when one of our PET scanners went down and we could actually shift patient load to the one scanner that had the SubtlePET technology and accommodate those patients without increasing wait times.
SubtlePET bring us flexibility concerning the throughput and the workflow. Indeed, sometimes with children or patients who are very painful or patients who suffer from claustrophobia, we really had to scan faster. And thanks to SubtlePET, we are able to perform this faster scan without lack of image quality. And it was very important for us.
To see how Subtle Medical software solutions can impact your center, head over to our website, SubtleMedical.com, to download a case study or click on Start Your Free Trial. For other questions about SubtlePET and SubtleMR, please email sales@SubtleMedical.com. We look forward to hearing from you.